Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fishco. In this video, we will talk about some one-liners that are beneficial for your JRF exam as well as fisheries related other competitive exam. So first of all, we will talk about some facts related to disease that could be framed as a question, and in later part of this video, we will discuss about classification of gears. Okay, so let's start. First of all, bacterial kidney disease is caused by organism Renibacterium salmoninarum, that is a gram-positive bacteria, and this disease occur most commonly in salmonids. Then fish gangrene, or also it is known as putrefactive disease or red disease of eels. It is caused by Edwardsiella tarda. Enteric septicemia of catfish is caused by Edwardsiella ictaluri. Columnaris or saddleback disease caused by Flavobacterium columnare. Bacterial gill disease caused by Flavobacterium brachyophyllum. Then we will discuss some fungal disease. So first of all, saprolegniasis, also known as cotton wool disease, caused by Saprolegnia species. Then EUS, that is epizootic ulcerative syndrome, caused by Aphanomyces invadens, that is a fungus. Treatment method is use of Cyfex. Cyfex is a drug developed by CIFA for the treatment of EUS. Ichthyophoniasis, sandpaper effect, caused by Ichthyophonus hofferi. It is a fungal disease. Then coming to parasitic disease, first of all, amyloidonosis or velvet disease, that is a marine velvet disease caused by Amylodinium oscillatum, that is a dinoflagellate. Then cryptocaryonosis caused by Cryptocaryon irritans, it is a marine white spot disease. Very important question, this is marine white spot disease, not white spot disease that is caused by, that is white spot disease or ick disease is caused by Ichthyophthirius multifilus, but this is marine white spot disease caused by Cryptocaryon irritans, that is cryptocaryonosis. Then PKD is caused by Tetracapsula bryosalmoni, full form for PKD is proliferative kidney disease. White spot disease, that is also known as ick disease caused by Ichthyophthirus multifilus, also known as Ichthyophthiriasis. Skin fluke caused by or Gyrodactylus, and gill fluke caused by Dactylogyrus. Anchor worm, also known as Lernia. Fish louse, that is Argulus. Gill lice, that is Ergacillus. Then a disease common in shellfish is cotton or milk shrimp disease, that is caused by Microsporidian infection. Now we will discuss one-liners related to classification of gears from which questions could be framed. So first of all, full form for ISS-CFG is International Standard Statistical Classification of Fishing Gear. This classification gets accepted by FAO. ISS-CFG classifies fishing gear into 12 classes. That includes, first of all, surrounding nets, that includes purse seine, ring seine and Lampara nets. I am repeating again, surrounding nets includes purse seine, ring seine and Lampara net. Seine nets include beach seine and boat seine. Then trawl net, then dredges, then lift net, that includes hoop and blanket nets. Falling gear, that includes cast net, cover pots and lantern net. Gill nets and entangling nets includes set net, drift net and trammel net. Traps includes pound net, pike net, stow net, aerial traps and fences. Hooks and lines includes hand line, long line, pole line and trolling line. Grappling and wounding gear includes harpoons, spears, clamps, tongs. Then use of harvesting machine, that is by the use of pumps, and other methods includes explosives and simple hand implements. So these were the 12 classification of ISS-CFG that is accepted by FAO, and these were the one-liners from which questions could be framed in your JRF exam. Okay, so thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ.